Hello friends, today let's take a look at the Toyota Hilux 5L, 8 pots, 385 horsepower. Yes, the Toyota Hilux is a popular pickup truck known for its durability, reliability and off-road capabilities. The 5 liters 8-piston engine produces 385 horsepower, making it a powerful vehicle. It is equipped with advanced features such as electronic stability control, traction control and a limited slip differential that help keep the car stable on the track even in challenging road conditions. Watch and enjoy a really exciting rally.